Hey guys, it's Miss Woolsey here. Now that you are done watching your video and writing your lower and uppercase E's, we're going to start our care lesson for today. So just like we did yesterday, we're going to keep working on some magic E words. Today we're going to do E consonant E and O consonant E. So I need you guys to say it with me. Are we all ready and together? We're going to do E consonant E like in these, E. Ready? Okay. E consonant E, these, E. Now we're going to move to O consonant E like in bone. O consonant E, bone, O. Gotta make sure everyone's saying it together. O consonant E, bone, O. Great job, everybody. So now, today we're going to pull some words apart. So let's start at the top. We're going to make sure, your box might look a little different since we kind of swapped our letters yesterday. So make sure that your box looks like mine for when you're writing and underlining. So our first word is rose. So O's, rose. O's, close. Own, cone. Own, throne. Oak, joke. Oak, broke. Ode, code. Ove, drove. Eve, Eve. Ear, here. Ease, these. And this last word's kind of long, so I think we should get our scooping hands ready. Everybody okay? We're going to do compose. Compose. Good job, everybody. Now on your paper, make sure you find the box that has the same words as our practice right here, and I want you to underline the letters that make the sounds I tell you. So we're going to start with our first word, rose. What makes the O sound in rose? I'm going to highlight them along with us. So, O consonant E makes the O sound in rose. Now we're going to close. What makes the O sound in close? O consonant E. Now our word cone. What makes the O sound in cone? Whew. O consonant E. Now we have a longer word here, throne. What makes the O sound in throne? O consonant E. Now we're going to move up to the middle column, joke. What makes the O sound in joke? O consonant E. And if you guys need some more time, you can pause this video at any moment so that way you can catch up and underline everything you need to. We're going to move on to the next word, broke. What makes the O sound in broke? O consonant E. Now we're going to move to code. What makes the O sound in code? O consonant E. And drove. What makes the O sound in drove? O consonant E. There's a pattern there. We're going to move up to our last column, Eve. What makes the E sound in Eve? E consonant Eve. What makes the E sound in here? E consonant E. And these. The E sounds E consonant E. And then our last word, compose. What makes the O sound in compose? The O consonant E. Great work, guys. So we're going to move on to our last section here. First, I want you to turn to the back of the page, and there should be a line at the very top for us to practice our first sounds. I want you guys to write at the top what makes the E sound in these. And you guys can remember from yesterday when we are writing our consonants, we usually just do a dash. So the E sound in these. So E consonant E makes the E sound in these. So next, I want you guys to write what makes the O sound like in bone. The O sound in bone. It's O consonant E. Okay, so if you guys will go and find this page in your care booklet, we're going to spell some words together. So everyone's going to need a pencil and their booklet. So the first word we're going to spell is rose. Rose. And you can pause it in between so that way you have time to write your word, and then I'm going to spell it in the box for us so you can check when you're done. Rose. R-O-S-E. Okay, our next word is here. And remember, you can pause it so you can write your word. H-E-R-E. Our next word is cone. Cone. C-O-N-E. And we're going to do, our next word is these. T-H-E-S-E. And our last word for today is throne. Throne. T-H-R-O-N-E. Throne. Great work, guys. So for our last part of today, we are going to come back to our high frequency words from yesterday. So that means I need everybody out of their seat for this next part. As we all get ready, I'm going to stand up with you and we're going to do our words. Okay, ready? Our first word is everywhere. So let's get our arms ready to go. E-V-E-R-Y-W-H-E-R-E. Okay, our next word is machines. Let's get ready. M-A-C-H-I-N-E-S. Our next word is woman. W-O-M-A-N. Whew, I feel like a chicken after that one. We're going to move to world. W-O-R-L-D. Okay, and we're going to go to the next column. Live. We got to get ready. L-I-V-E. Our next word is move. M-O-V-E. And our last word is work. W-O-R-K. Awesome job, guys. Thank you for doing all those with me and working so hard today. I will see you tomorrow.